Hi, I'm Paul Lundeen. Thanks for sharing this minute. In politics and public policy, things can take a lot longer than common sense suggests they should. Our ongoing fight to widen I-25 is one of those things. That's why it's so important we celebrate when we get small wins. For some time now, we've been asking the Colorado Department of Transportation to get outside the typical planning process box. I-25 between Monument and Castle Rock isn't a routine problem, so a routine solution won't do. We've been asking that CDOT do the two major federally required studies simultaneously. Today, they announced they're going to do so. It's a small step, but worth celebration. Thank you for your engagement. Thank you to the elected representatives of the people who've been working on this and the governor's office. And a hat tip to the CDOT team. Altogether, we have injected needed creativity into the process. This means the timeline to completion is getting shorter. When we started pushing this issue, planning hadn't begun in earnest, and 10 years was the time frame being discussed. With today's announcement, that has been cut in half. The goal is bulldozers pushing dirt by late summer of 2019 and a new road roughly 5 years from now. That is progress. But don't rest yet. Our effort isn't over. The struggle over form and funding still goes on. You remember I've been saying we must have a laser focus on roads and bridges when we talk transportation in Colorado. That's where I'm asking you to move your energy. Transportation can mean different things to different people, and the money follows those ideas. When someone says transportation finance, you say roads and bridges. When someone says transit or light rail, you say roads and bridges. When someone says bike paths, you say roads and bridges. You get the idea. Everyone in Colorado benefits from better roads and bridges. Let's make sure the conversation is focused like a laser on roads and bridges. So today we all celebrate for a minute. Then we get back to work making sure the transportation finance conversation is about roads and bridges and the critical corridor of I-25 from Monument to Castle Rock. I'm Paul Lundeen. Thanks for sharing this minute.